Trading has a powerful allure. It promises financial freedom and the excitement of fast-paced markets. Images of traders celebrating big wins fuel the dream, but the reality of trading is complex. Success requires more than just luck. It demands understanding, skill, and a strong mindset. Some individuals seem predisposed to trading success. They seem to have an innate ability to understand the complexities of the market, almost as if they were born with a sixth sense for trading. They may have a natural aptitude for numbers, effortlessly crunching data and making sense of financial statements that would baffle others. A keen eye for patterns, allowing them to spot trends and opportunities that others might miss. And an ability to stay calm under pressure, maintaining their composure even when the market is volatile and unpredictable. These traits can give them an edge in the fast-paced world of trading, where split-second decisions can mean the difference between profit and loss. These natural abilities can translate into faster learning curves and a deeper understanding of market dynamics. They can grasp complex concepts quickly and apply them effectively. However, even with natural talent, success is not guaranteed. The market is unpredictable, and even the most gifted traders can face setbacks. Raw talent needs to be cultivated through education, practice, and experience. Continuous learning and adaptation are crucial. Traders must stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and global events that can impact their trades. Only then can they hope to achieve lasting success in the ever-changing world of trading. Trading is a skill that can be learned. It's not something that comes naturally to everyone, but with the right mindset and approach, anyone can become proficient at it and mastered through dedication and practice. The journey to becoming a successful trader is filled with challenges, but each obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Just like any other profession, it requires a solid foundation of knowledge, the development of specific techniques, and continuous improvement. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and support. Aspiring traders need to learn fundamental and technical analysis, risk management strategies, and different trading styles. They should immerse themselves in the world of trading, constantly seeking out new information and perspectives. They need to practice their skills, analyze their trades, and refine their strategies. Keeping a detailed trading journal can help track progress and identify areas for improvement, and learn from their mistakes. Reflection and self-assessment are crucial components of growth. By understanding what went wrong and why, traders can avoid repeating the same errors and move closer to achieving their goals. Section 4. Mastering the Mind. Trading Psychology. In the world of trading, mastering the mind is just as important as mastering the markets. Trading psychology plays a crucial role in success. It's not just about knowing when to buy or sell, it's about understanding your own mental and emotional state. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions. Fear can cause you to exit trades too early, while greed can make you hold on too long. Successful traders understand the importance of emotional intelligence. They know that staying calm and composed is key to making rational decisions. They develop discipline, patience, and the ability to control their emotions. Techniques like meditation and mindfulness can be incredibly helpful in achieving this. They stick to their trading plans, manage risk effectively, and don't let losses shake their confidence. By mastering their psychology, they set themselves up for long-term success in the trading world. Section 5. Diverse Paths to Success. Trader Spotlights. The world of trading boasts successful individuals from diverse backgrounds and experiences. Some have advanced degrees in finance or economics, while others come from completely unrelated fields and industries. For example, George Soros was a philosophy student before becoming a legendary investor. This demonstrates that there's no single path to trading success, and diverse perspectives can be incredibly valuable in this field.